Good morning, kids! It's English time. I'm Teacher Chris. English 3, 3rd quarter, Module 7, Week 7. Read words with long A, I, O, U sound. In this lesson, you are expected to read words, sentences, stories with long A, I, O, U sound. Long vowel sound. A long vowel is a vowel sound that is pronounced the same way as the name of the letter itself. Let's read. Words with long vowel sound. Wave. B. 5. Home. Duke. Let's read. Sentences with long vowel sound. I can play the flute. The ice is melting. I pick a red rose. Write the date on your calendar. The bee fly in the garden. Let's read. Stories with long vowel sound. Duke. Duke is a mule. He is cute and tame. He came to the lake to eat pine trees. The long vowel sound in the stories are Duke, mule, cute, tame, came, lake, pine. Let's read. Stories with long vowel sound. Jake and Kate. Jake and Kate play a fun game. They like to see who can make 5 in a row to win the game. The long vowel sound in the stories are Jake, Kate, play, game, like, make, 5, and game. Let's read. Stories with long vowel sound. Nate and his kite. Nate can skate and fly a kite at the same time. His kite has bows and lots of colorful stripes. The long vowel sounds in the stories are Nate, skate, fly, kite, sing, time, kite, bows, and stripes. Task. Read the word and answer the question that follows. Let's read. Stories with long vowel sound. Jake and Kate baked a cake. They ate the cake beside the lake. After eating, they flew kites while riding a bike. In the afternoon, they ate ice creams in a cone. Jake and Kate took cute photos. They had fun and their happiness was pure. Questions. Who are the children in the story? Where did they eat the cake? Where did they ride while flying kites? How do you describe the photos taken by Jake and Kate? Timer starts now. Time's up. Answer. Number 1. Jake and Kate are the children in the story. Number 2. They eat the cake beside the lake. Number 3. They rode a bike while flying kites. And number 4. They took cute photos. Great job, kids! Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Until next time, goodbye!